think we're good. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a little bit of a weird angle, but I don't have a tripod today, and I really wanted to do this little unboxing, unpackaging that we have planned. So basically, keeping it Etsy themed as usual, we decided to order like a kawaii themed mystery bag. And this is very budget friendly. So it was basically $7.99 for everything that we got in this package. And that includes shipping. The shipping was free. We know it's not actually free, but it must have been like a good amount to ship the package here. I'm gonna say it was like $3 to ship this package, or a little bit more. So you're paying $7.99 and this is what you get. So I'm gonna turn around and show Arya unpackaging this package. How many times should I say package? I don't know. Arya, are you ready to open? Arya, are you ready to open your package? So this is like a kid-themed package. You'll see. Oh, yeah, you can do that. Do you want to see what's in here first? There's some surprises for you. All right, so the shop is called Buttons and Such. Like buttons with D. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I didn't peek at anything yet. All right, can you help me pull this out? Can you grab onto this and pull it out?
Hold it.
Oh. Doing a lot of things right now. Okay, so grab on and, oops.
Oh, no.
Trying to multitask here. Arya's in a little bit of a tired mood today. I hope we don't...
Wow!
Wow, okay, so let's look inside. We have...
Gorilla!
So guys, again, this is $7.99 mystery package. We have some Target watercolor paints. Hey, that's pretty cool. We could use some of those. That's awesome. What else do we got, Arya?
Look what I found.
Can I see it?
Can I have the bag, please?
Yeah, of course. What do you think about all your new stuff? What's in here? First, we have this dragonfly. I think it's a necklace. Wow, you got a dragonfly necklace. That's really nice. It's actually kind of heavy too. Cool. All right, we got the watercolors paints, like I said. We have some fishy stickers.
Can you do this one?
Some butterfly stickers.
Say SpongeBob.
SpongeBob stickers.
Say paint.
And what is this? Cartoon sticky notes. Oh, cool. You can draw on these. All right, guys. So that's everything we got in our budget-friendly mystery pack. Pretty awesome. What do you say? Is this cool? Like, she was really looking forward to watching whatever she was watching, so I'll let her go. But guys, do I think this was worth it? I would say it for sure was, because every kid loves surprises. I know she wasn't in like the best mood for it right now, but like some of this stuff is very functional. Watercolors, every kid loves to paint. Got sticky notes, everybody needs sticky notes. And what kid doesn't love stickers? And they even gave us a little necklace, so I love that. Okay, I'm gonna recommend the shop and I'm gonna give you all the information below. This was a really cool mystery pack. Okay, bye guys.